Hello friends, I am Kunal Shinde, working as Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department of Sandeep Institute of Engineering and Management. This video has been made as a part of an activity under the International FDP on Environment and Sustainability. First of all, we will have the introduction to mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering is defined as discipline which makes use of applied engineering, engineering mathematics, physics, and material science principles to design, analyze, manufacture, and maintain mechanical systems. Mechanical engineering is the application of the principles and problem solving techniques of engineering from design to manufacturing to the marketplace for any object. Mechanical engineering combines creativity, knowledge, and analytical tools to complete the difficult task of shaping an idea into reality. Mechanical engineers analyze their work using the principles of motion, energy, and force, ensuring that designs function safely, efficiently, and reliably, all at a competitive cost. Sustainability. Sustainability can be defined as development which meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of the future generations to meet their own needs. But generally, the concept of sustainability is built on the three pillars as shown in figure 1. And figure 2 shows the interaction among the three elements of sustainability: society, economy, environment, and all these three elements has their foundation built in mechanical engineering. So what is the role of mechanical engineering design? Mechanical engineers are the ones who create and develop mechanical systems for all of humankind using the principles of force, energy, and motion. Mechanical engineers also develop machines and tools that produce products that range from sport equipment to pharmaceutical devices, medical devices, personal computers, humidifiers, dehumidifiers, automobile engines, robotic arms, electrical power plants, and solar drives. The mechanical engineering doesn't include the concept of environmental degradation due to the decision made during design phase. Actually, the design affects the manufacturing, and manufacturing in turn affects the environment. We need to include the sustainable or green design, including the concept of manufacturing for sustainability in mechanical engineering. System design, infrastructure, provision and engineering enterprise system are main concern of mechanical engineers, as making decision is an act that is performed throughout the life cycle of the infrastructure, enterprise, process or product. Mechanical engineers play a vital role in such life cycle decision making. The one being utilized is partitioned into five principal phases. These five principal phases can be seen in this figure, which shows the role of engineer in design and infrastructure. So the five phases are framework requirement. The first one is the framework requirement. Now in framework requirement, framing the requirement draws in description of the necessity or coveted results. Then the second is decision scoping. The more outline choices are derived at this phase without thought of sustainable development, the less sustainability development can be achieved. Then the third phase is your preparation and comprehensive design stage. Preparation can effectively be grouped as an analytical process that introduces the action that will be taken. Comprehensive design involves the creating of result, components, or process preparation. Then the fourth one is your execution, supply, and run. It involves the critical recognition of the designs, for instance, a genuine product, development of advanced foundation, or application of the recent method or practices. And the last one is the end of useful life and maintenance, repair, and overhaul. The revolution of resources for re-retention into the earth through recycled, reusing, or deposition is an essential component of sustainable development. Now we will see the impacts of mechanical engineering on sustainability. The impact of mechanical engineering on sustainability is major on the environment. We should consider the requirements of green technology to sustainable energy, clean air, drinking water, green transportation, safe water disposal, and renewable energy. The things that are designed will consume resources, not just the final parts and pieces you see in your product, but the vast components, byproducts, energy inputs, water consumption, land disruption or use, etc., that are required by the full supply chain required to deliver every single part or service. The higher rate of over exploring the natural resources available, such as wood, water, petroleum, coals, minerals, has affected the possibility of achieving environmental sustainability. We should be aware of how our choices will impact resource consumption throughout the supply chain and make decisions that minimize that impact. As we design, consider what energy and resources our design will require and integrate a thoughtfulness towards that in what we design. Understand our product will eventually have to be thrown in a landfill, so design it so that it can instead be dismantled, refurbished, or fully recycled. Green design and manufacturing promises reduction in materials, energy use, disposal fees, and reduce pollution. So we should focus on green design and manufacturing, green manufacturing. So in order to achieve sustainability development goals, mechanical engineers need to develop mechanical systems that will help in reaping all the natural resources and reduce carbon emission. Thank you.